Picture this: the camera glides across a polished floor, cutting through soft reflections and warm lighting as a hand-built icon emerges from the shadows. This is the 1954 Chevrolet 3100 custom pickup known as the Steel Stallion, a machine that doesn't just demand attention, it commands absolute respect the moment it rolls into frame. What's up, everyone? Subscribe to my channel if you love the rarest, wildest, and most expensive custom builds on the planet, because today we're diving into a masterpiece that fuses mid-century Chevrolet heritage with 21st century craftsmanship and performance. This isn't just an old pickup restored. This is a complete rebirth, a custom creation where every bolt, every panel, and every contour has been shaped with intention, precision, and raw artistic obsession. And trust me, when you see what's been done to this thing, you'll understand why the custom world considers it one of the cleanest 54 builds in existence. Let's start with the stance, because before the engine note even reaches your ears, before the interior pulls you in with its luxury, before the paint even sparkles under the light, this truck grabs hold of the ground like it's ready to tear the earth open. The Steel Stallion sits slammed low over a custom chassis, engineered not just for show but for function. Air suspension brings the body down until the sills nearly kiss the floor, giving it that unmistakable street rod silhouette. With the press of a button, it rises to drive height with smooth, modern composure. This isn't your grandfather's farm truck. This is a luxury Restomod weapon designed to cruise, flex, and dominate every showcase it enters. Then your eyes hit the bodywork, and that's when you truly understand the craftsmanship behind this build. The 1954 front end, arguably one of the most iconic in Chevrolet's advanced design series, has been smoothed, sharpened, and sculpted to perfection. The hood lines are tighter than factory, the fenders have been subtly massaged, and the bed has been reimagined with show-quality timber decking and hidden hardware. Shaved handles clean the profile until it's nothing but pure, uninterrupted steel flowing from nose to tail, and the paint, deep liquid mirror like the kind that makes you question reality, was laid down with the kind of finesse only elite builders achieve. Under bright showroom lights, every reflection looks like it's been filtered and retouched, even though what you're seeing is pure, authentic craftsmanship. But even with all that beauty, a build of this caliber needs attitude, raw American horsepower, and the Steel Stallion delivers exactly that. Under the hood sits a modern power plant, meticulously fitted and dressed to impress. Whether it's an LS3, a stroker small block, or a high-compression V8 built to rip, the heart of this beast beats with a level of performance unimaginable in 1954. Polished valve covers, tucked wiring, hidden plumbing, a smoothed firewall, and custom bracing turn the engine bay into pure artwork. Turn the key and the symphony begins, a deep, throaty rumble that shakes the air with confidence. It doesn't scream, it growls, controlled, dominant, perfectly tuned. This is the kind of sound that lets everyone on the street know that this truck isn't just a pretty face, it has teeth, big ones. Then we open the door and the interior takes the entire build to a completely different level. The cabin has been completely redesigned with an expensive, modern, bespoke finish. Think hand-stitched leather, custom bucket seats, polished billet hardware, digital gauges hidden inside retro-style housings, and a dash that blends vintage shapes with contemporary execution. Nothing here is off the shelf. Everything has been reworked, reimagined, and rebuilt to deliver a driving experience far beyond anything Chevrolet could have conceived in the 1950s. You get wrapped in luxury the moment you slide in, and the aroma of fine leather fills the air like you just stepped into a high-end European Grand Tourer. Except this Grand Tourer has the soul of a 54 Chevy. As the camera moves around the truck, every angle reveals another detail. Most people would miss the flush-mounted glass, the hidden hinges, the mirror, polished stainless trim, the custom exhaust tucking neatly under the smooth frame rails, the wheels that balance modern style with vintage character. But the thing that makes the Steel Stallion truly exceptional isn't just these individual details. It's the way everything flows together so naturally, as if the truck was always meant to look like this. That is the art of high-end custom building, when every modification feels factory, even though none of it is. On the road, The Steel Stallion turns heads like nothing else. The way the sunlight dances across that flawless paint, the low, confident stance, the deep rumble that echoes off buildings, the effortless glide from the upgraded suspension, it becomes more than transportation. It becomes a statement, a declaration, a rolling sculpture built to honor the past but live entirely in the present. When you pull up to a show, there's no blending in. When you park it on the street, people stop in their tracks. When you fire it up, conversations pause. This isn't a truck you drive to get somewhere. This is a truck you drive because it makes everywhere feel like an event. And while the build itself is jaw-dropping, the story behind it hits even harder. A 1954 Chevrolet 3100 started life as a humble workhorse, a tough and dependable farm designed to haul lumber, tools, and anything the job demanded. Decades later, after the world changed and technology evolved, legends like the Steel Stallion emerged, not as survivors but as reborn icons. This truck represents what happens when passion meets creativity, when a classic frame becomes a canvas, and when the builder refuses to accept anything less than perfection. It's not just metal, it's ambition, it's history, it's identity forged in steel. So as the video fades out and the camera pulls back for one final cinematic shot, the message is simple: builds like this don't just happen. They are dreamed, planned, engineered, shaped, refined, and brought to life by people who see beauty where others see rust. The 1954 Chevrolet 3100 custom pick-up, the Steel Stallion, is a masterclass in what a classic truck can become when you push every limit and pour everything into the craft. If you appreciate machines that blend vintage soul with modern muscle, make sure you hit that subscribe button, drop a comment below, and stay tuned because we've got more legendary builds coming your way. And trust me, if you thought this one was wild, just wait until you see what's next.